Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Tech turbulence, Google's AI face generator offline, Pelosi's Palo Alto Networks purchase boosts stocks, Wendy's considers dynamic pricing revolution, FTC challenges Kroger-Albertsons merger. Plus, Larry McDonald shares high conviction list and Exxon eyes Chevron's offered to Hess for Guyana stake. In the AI realm, C3.ai and SoundHound lead the charge while ARM rides high on Rosenblatt's price target hike. Stay tuned after this short ad break as we delve deeper into these headlines. Shares of Google experienced a drop of 3.5% following the announcement of a temporary suspension to its artificial intelligence-driven face generator named Gemini. This decision comes in response to criticisms regarding racial handling. The technology behemoth is currently developing enhancements and anticipates the feature's return to online status shortly. This information was provided by Demi Sasabis, who leads Google DeepMind.
Stocks in the cybersecurity company, Palo Alto Networks, experienced a 9% increase following the disclosure by Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi that she purchased call options valued between $500,000 and $1 million. Even though the company reduced its revenue forecast for the full year, which resulted in downgrades from Wall Street firms, Susquehanna investment firm continued to hold a favorable rating on Palo Alto. Stocks of other cybersecurity companies also saw an upward trend.
Wendy's, the fast food chain, is allocating $20 million towards digital menu board technology. Their aim is to experiment with dynamic pricing in the year 2025. This strategy of adjusting prices in real time has potential to increase sales and profits. However, it also carries a risk of causing dissatisfaction among consumers. Fast food rivals such as McDonald's and Chipotle will be keenly watching this move by Wendy's. Over the past year, Wendy's shares have experienced a decline of 19%.
The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, has initiated a lawsuit to prevent the proposed acquisition of Albertsons by Kroger. This deal is valued at $25 billion. The FTC's main concern is the potential increase in prices that could negatively impact consumers. 9 state attorneys general are supporting this lawsuit. Despite facing this legal hurdle, both Kroger and Albertsons are standing firm on their decision to merge. They argue that this merger will lead to reduced prices and an increased variety of options for their customers.
Larry McDonald, a renowned author with bestsellers to his name, along with his team, are implementing a strategy of hedging their long positions by shorting Apple, Nasdaq, and the S&P. They hold a bullish stance on value equities as opposed to growth stocks. Their prediction is that an economic break will be triggered by the Federal Reserve. They anticipate that non-U.S. equities will gain from a weakening U.S. dollar. High conviction picks from their list include Antero Resources, Rio Tinto, Newmont, and Chevron, among others.
The proposed acquisition of Hess by Chevron, valued at $53 billion, might be in jeopardy. ExxonMobil and CNOOC assert that they possess the right to counter Chevron's bid for Hess' 30% share in the Stabroek oil project, operated by Exxon off Guyana. This disagreement could potentially postpone or even halt the merger. If not resolved, it may lead to arbitration.
Stocks in the field of artificial intelligence experienced a surge, with C3.ai and SoundHound AI at the forefront. Despite an absence of company-specific news, shares in C3.ai saw an increase exceeding 8%. Concurrently, SoundHound's market capitalization expanded by 168% within the previous month. Micron also noted a 6% growth following the commencement of production for high-bandwidth memory semiconductors designed for NVIDIA's most recent AI chip. In additional news, Microsoft has formed a collaboration with Mistral, a startup based in Paris, to integrate its models into Microsoft's Azure cloud computing platform.
Rosenblatt Securities, an investment firm, has raised its price target for ARM Holdings, a British chip design company. This decision is based on the positive trend in royalty rates. Consequently, there was a 10.8% surge in shares. The technology developed by this firm is considered vital for AI and edge computing and could potentially boost earnings by 50%. Hans Mosesmann, an analyst, anticipates that royalty rates will reach double digits before the close of this decade.
And that's a wrap on today's The Daily Business and Finance Show. Remember, the world of business never sleeps, so stay informed and keep investing in knowledge. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.